Judging in the Africa Deep Tech Challenge is measurement based. The profiler is a standard tool that produces the benchmark report, which every submission is scored from. We look at the throughput, memory, CPU, and accuracy, all in one schema valid JSON file submission. The same tool is used in different instances. First, you run it on your laptop and ship a submission.json. Then we'll run the exact same command on a cloud virtual machine, which matches the standard laptop profile, 8 GB RAM, 4 CPUs, and no GPU. And then we check the difference between the two reports. If the numbers tally or match, then you pass. So let's see what the scoring formula looks like. If you look at the README, let's scroll down. Yeah, this is it. Okay. If you see, the accuracy is weighted 50%. Throughput is at 30%. And then memory efficiency 20%, minus points that are deducted for exceeding a certain threshold in terms of temperature or CPU throttles. So the profiler uses this to compile your score, and that is how the submission is evaluated.